This is Rye. We're here in Trip Country. The time is 1:43.
That was a damn amount.
Trying about to go on this hike.
So where are we? Where's the you are here?
Is this the Uber? Good for you. Here we are, Rattlesnake Trail.
I can already tell this meeting rough.
2 hours in, haven't made it to the top yet.
I mean, long way back, but I think the view will be worth it, to be honest. Blood, sweat, and tears.
No, Darian, you can't have the rest of the Fruity Pebbles in the cabinet. Those are mine. My Fruity Pebbles.
Brenda, I don't know why you don't like me. Good worker. And, yeah. That's it.
Flakes. And about the 6 to 7 range. Yeah. I'm a cereal connoisseur, so.
Fruity Pebbles #1. Fruity Pebbles, instantly.
Nah, Lucky Charms.
Fruity Pebbles, Cinnamon Toast Crunch, Honeycombs.
Honeycombs?
Honey Smacks.
I'm walking.
Oh,
I don't know if I introduced the cinematic video, but here it is.
damn. That shit was rough, but worth it. Made it to the car.
It was worth it. Made it back to the car. Eric, how do you feel? Okay. Oh, that's still down. From where? Probably from Chipotle,
Oh my God,
or a strawberry Pop-Tart, or a Miller's Burger, some fried calamari, sushi. I could really eat anything right now. I'm kind of hungry. We have Dora here looking at the map. For some reason, he has just missing the top of his head. It's camouflaged. Get it?